Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see here that we are logged in Gmail account in Gmail app, and if you want to log out from this account in Gmail application, you should log out from Google account on your device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, select this account, and then just to log out from here you should click remove account. After that, confirm your action and click here to OK. Now just enter the password or drop the pattern if you have some just lock methods activated on your device. Now in Google account settings we can see that we just successfully log out from Gmail account, and let's go back to the application, and in app we can also see that we successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.